go. Perfect. Little bits of mushroom. Yes. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to Next Matchup. One of the best things about living in Korea is the generosity, and this week I got this as a present. It's Dulgireum and it's worth its weight in gold. This is very delicious, made from perilla leaves and turned into oil, and I'm going to use this as well as these. I got some dried mushrooms. Now, I'm not about to dry my own mushrooms, so receiving these as a present is a fantastic gift, and I'm going to use the two of these things to cook Dulgireum Makguksu. Let's begin. Oh, yes. Yes, okay. Oh, here we go. This is the fun part. Oh, look at it mixed together. Yes, look at that. Oh, yes. Wow. That's what makguksu is about. Mamul. Big, thick mamul. Look at those bits of... Oh, perfect. Little bits of mushroom. Yes. Okay. That is delicious. Oh, look at that. really good. It's so mushroomy, it's full of that mushroom flavor, but it's got this sweet sort of sauce that we made that we mixed with the noodles. So we've got this perfect noodle sauce, and then that saltiness also from the mushrooms, but from the gim, I love this one that we prepared. This is perfect. In fact, we're gonna add more. We need more of this. All right, more of that, and more of this. If you put too much of it on, it doesn't look good in the video or the photos, but when you're eating it, just load it on. This is the way to do it. Oh, look. It's just like this. This is to die for. I'm gonna eat this. Thanks for watching. I'm rushing the ending. I want to eat this as fast as possible. I hope everyone out there try this recipe if you've got mushrooms. If they're not dried, it's okay. Just use normal mushrooms. Slice them up. Hey, have them in big pieces, whatever you like. You don't have to slice them thin like I did or into small pieces. Whatever you think is best, try it out. Mushrooms, meal, Dulgireum. Perfect combination. 안녕히 계세요. Oh.